Hey, it's Angela from the blog angelamariemade.com. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to print an image onto wood. This is a really easy project. Start by gathering all of your materials. You can get a full material list and tutorial on my blog, which is linked below this video. You're going to need an image to transfer onto wood. You're also going to need a piece of wood. I used some scrap 1x6 oak board that I had on hand already. Okay, let's get started with this project. There are many different ways to print on wood, but I didn't want to use any methods involving chemicals or messiness like the Mod Podge method. I just wanted to keep things simple. I tested out printing onto freezer paper, wax paper, wood transfer paper, and t-shirt transfer paper. The wax paper, wood transfer paper, and t-shirt transfer paper did not work very well for my test. But the freezer paper worked great and was really easy to do. You're going to need an image to transfer onto wood. I found my photo on Etsy and resized it to 5x7 using a photo editor. You also need freezer paper, masking tape, a letter-sized piece of cardstock or printer paper, a pencil, scissors, a squeegee or old credit card, and a printer. Note, my printer was an inkjet Canon printer. I will link the exact model I have below. Step 1 is to trace the letter-sized paper on the freezer paper with a pencil. Step 2 is to cut the freezer paper to size with scissors. Step 3 is to tape the freezer paper on top of the letter-sized paper with a little bit of masking tape. Note, the freezer paper has a glossy side and a matte side. Make sure to tape the freezer paper so that the glossy side is facing upwards. This is really important for the photo transfer. Next, load the paper into your printer so that it will print on the freezer paper with the glossy side up. Register your printer paper type as glossy photo paper. Step 5 is to adjust the printer settings and print the image onto the freezer paper. Select Print for your photo, and under the print settings, select Glossy Photo Paper and set the print quality to high quality. Then print the image. After printing onto the freezer paper, carefully remove the masking tape and cut the excess freezer paper around the image. Step 7 is to transfer the photo onto the wood. Carefully place your printed image down on your wood with the printed image side facing the wood. Secure it into place with a piece of masking tape at the top of the paper. Use a squeegee or old credit card and rub firmly down the freezer paper starting from the top to transfer the design onto the wood. Be careful not to move the placement of the paper. I also found using my fingers to press down as well as a dry washcloth help to transfer the image onto the wood. The last step is to remove the freezer paper. Carefully remove the freezer paper and masking tape from the wood to reveal your photo transfer. What do you think of this method for printing onto wood? Let me know in the comments below, and I'd love to hear if you have a photo that you want to transfer onto wood as well. Please subscribe to my channel for more fun DIY and decor videos. Thank you again for stopping by and watching.